Good morning from the Volta region of Ghana. I'm about to show you something that will definitely blow your mind away. Listen, what is behind me is an ICT lab which was built by someone who was born in this community and felt the need that it's about time to come back to give to my own people. One of the things that I really love about the entire setup is that it's automated. So if I really want to increase the height of this desk, I just need to press something, man.
Yeah. State of the art.
And if I want to charge my phone, I can charge my phone with this wireless charger right here. Guess what? You can still use this charging slot that is here if you want to use it. So which means that you might find yourself in the village but enjoying the same privileges with the people living in the city. Is it free to access this place?
Yes, it is free, 24 hours, free accessibility.
Those of us that were born in places like this were deprived from computers.
The main idea is to have children in Ketusaf and beyond to come here during their free hours. Buses will come, commit them from various towns, Agbozuma, Kleko, Nogopo, Denu, Aflau, and East sub areas, so that they can come here maybe within 2 hours running shift. They can study on computers, go back, the bus will bring another batch of students to come and learn from here. It is virtually open to all well-meaning students who want to study computer.
So why don't you all do me a favor by liking this video and press the share button, because I want every African to have a piece of this video. Listen, the idea behind this is what blows my mind away, because he is saying that
no child should learn computers on a blackboard.
Because when I was in school, I learned my computer science on a blackboard to see that my teacher will draw a mouse and tell us that this is a mouse, but unfortunately, that did not look like a mouse, by the way. Is it your idea, though?
No, this is an idea conceived after the demise of our mother, Charity Gale, who was born and raised here, and after many years, she could not finish her education from the primary school here. She got pregnant of that and gave birth to 4 of us. So after her demise, the family decided to put a monumental statue to depict whatever she thought of having in life. So we sat as a family and we thought of this ICT lab where children should not be learning on a blackboard, perceiving that that is a computer. So the initiative was taken over by my younger brother who resides in the US. His name is Professor Agbako Kumoji. So through the help of many well-meaning Africans, worldwide Ghanaians, he was able to put up this structure. It has started about 2 years ago and is still in the process of completion. It's about 90% completion, and many other things are needed in order to fund it, to have the desired ambitions that he wanted for Ghanaians and children across Volta region, Ghana, and elsewhere.
A round of applause in the comment section. How many computers do you have in here?
30.
30 computers?
Yes.
I want to throw a challenge because I can't come here and I won't contribute. Because for me, I set an example. So, 30, I'll add 5 more computers.
Whoa!
Yeah.
Wow.
I'll add 5 more computers. Because we need to stop talking and start acting. So this is what I preach. So how many computers do you want to add to it? Leading by example. This is a question to each and everyone watching.
I just need to stress one thing.
Yeah.
Number one, Agbako's aim is that with the success here, this should be repeated and replicated across all the regions of Ghana. Number two, he's got this dream, this video of American-style school buses going around the towns and villages, dropping children here. They come and study and they go. Now we need to raise some funds. We need to support him. The work, he's done almost 95%. We need to help him with the 5%, contribute to 2 buses he wants to get, and then he can go forward and do greater things, not for himself, but for everyone.
Is there a link that support that?
We will put this in the comment section.
All right. So that definitely, I'll wrap up with this video by saying that it's about time for each and every one of us to support this initiative. And like I said, let this story inspire you to do something in your communities, because your community needs you. It's about time for you all to come together to build the Africa that we want.